大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This is our 17th lesson of the series, Learn Chinese characters with pictures and stories. In this lesson, we are going to learn a super important tip for learning Chinese characters. That is radicals. You may ask, what is radicals? Well, a radical is the basic component of each Chinese character, and itself holds information about the character meaning. Well, let's put it this way. If you start learning Chinese characters and you try to memorize each one individually, you will spend a lot of time on each character. And as a result, you will learn fewer words over more time. But if you can relate them to one another using radicals, you will learn characters more quickly and easily. Normally, native speakers and successful learners use radicals to master reading and writing. For instance, this is a super common radical in Chinese. These 3 dots means water. And you see, we've learned these characters in our previous lessons. If you haven't watched, you can find the links on the description box. And today, we just need to learn this character, water, and combine water with each individual one. And you will remember 5 new words. And the meaning of each word is just the combination of the radical water with each individual one. Let's dive in. You will know what I'm talking about. The first word we are going to learn is lei. Lei. It means tears. So do you notice the right part is the Chinese character mu? It means eyes. When the radical water is put to the left of the word, it means tears. You can remember in this way, tears are the waters coming from our eyes. So this is the word, lei. Lei. It means tears. Let's write the word together. So the same rule, from the left to the right, from the top to the bottom. So this is the word lei. Lei. It means tears. The next word we are going to learn is zhi. Zhi. It means juice. In this case, do you notice the right part is just a cross? This could be the way we cut a fruit. So when you put the radical water to the left part, it becomes juice, because juice are the waters coming from fruit. So this is the word zhi. Zhi. It means juice. Let's write the word together. 3 dots and a cross. It means zhi, juice. The next word we are going to learn is 浊. 浊. It means dirty. The right part is the Chinese character 虫. 虫. It means insect. This is the body. We've learned the word before. And when you put the radical water to the left part, it becomes the word 浊. 浊. It means dirty. When the water have insects, it means the water is dirty. So this is the word 浊. 浊. It means dirty. So you know how to write it, right? 3 dots and the 虫 insect. So this is the word 浊. 浊, it means dirty. The next word we are going to learn is 鱼. 鱼, it means fishing. The right part is the Chinese character 鱼, while these two has the same pronunciation. And you see here, this is the head of the fish, and this is the body, and this is the tail of a fish. And when you put the radical water to the left part, it means fishing. Fishing a fish in the water. So this is the word 鱼. 鱼, it means fishing. So let's write the word together. 3 dots means water, and the word 鱼, the body, and the tail. So this is the word 鱼. 鱼, it means fishing. The last word we are going to learn is 蛋. 蛋, it means plain. So do you notice the right part is the Chinese character 盐. 盐. You see 2 fire together, it means hot, super hot. But when you put water to the left part, it's kind of pour the water on the fire. It's kind of cool things down. So the word 淡 means plain, light, tasteless. Let's write the word together. Okay, 3 dot, 2 fire. The water put out the fire. So this is the word 淡. 淡, it means plain, light, tasteless. So this is the words we learned today. How's it going? If you have any questions or are there anything you would like to learn, please leave them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。